Go folks, it's Jim Langlands here from FX Charts with the currency outlook for the Finance News Network for Friday the 18th of May on behalf of AxiTrader. Okay, well, it was another heavy session really today, although the Euro managed to remain fairly range bound, but it's looking pretty heavy still. It's trading just under 127 at the moment. Greece and Spain were still the main points of focus. And Fitch has warned it's going to downgrade all the EU countries if the Greek election result doesn't go the right way, and they're going to follow the austerity package that's already been agreed. So that doesn't look good. Elsewhere, there was a Spanish bond auction that went off. The demand was okay, but the yields were a lot higher, and once again, that's not looking very special, as 10-year yields look as though they're heading towards 7%. Later in the day, Moody's came out and downgraded 4 Spanish regions, so that added to the woes really. And lastly, in Spain, it was confirmed to be in recession with the first quarter GDP down 0.3%, which followed on from the same reading as the last quarter of the previous year. As I say, Euro was pretty much range bound. That wasn't the case with sterling or the yen though. Sterling pretty much collapsed. It's never really recovered from the BOE, the Bank of England quarterly report a couple of days earlier, and Spain, the UK's been down to the cable's been down 157.85. Hasn't really recovered. It's still very heavy, and it's taken a bit of a beating on all the crosses today. Elsewhere, the yen that's resurfaced as a safe haven. Dollar yen collapsed a quick 100 points against the dollar. It's down at 79.25, but it is still above support at 79. But the crosses all took a bit of a beating. The Aussie's heavy. It's back under 99 cents. It's currently at around 98.85. It's sitting above the week's lows at 98.70. But it's not doing an awful lot now, but it's being driven around by risk perceptions. So it wouldn't surprise me next week at least, if not today, to see a break of 98.70, and the next major support is at 98.45, and below there, obviously, we have to look at 98 cents. The Kiwis, that's hovering just above big support at 76.20. If that goes, we might see some stop loss selling, some fresh selling. But right now, it looks fairly quiet. There's not an awful lot of economic data out today. In fact, the German PPI is the only thing of real interest. Although, of course, we have got the G8 meeting where Greece is going to be a main point of focus. So it'll be a pretty nervy run into the weekend. It might be range bound, but we might see some late selling of risk assets on worries of what's going to happen early next week. So it could be a pretty lively start in Asia on Monday morning. That's really about it today. If you want a more comprehensive outlook on the markets, go to the website as usual, www.fxcharts.com.au. As usual, all outlooks here are personal view only, not to be used as trading advice. But that's about it. So have a very good weekend, and we'll talk to you next week. Thanks very much. Cheers.